Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over a State Farm Drive Safe and Save setup instructions. First, you just download the app from your app store and then launch it. It'll ask you how you want to log in, so you either use your login credentials or you just create a new account. Remember, they'll need to access your driver's license. If you have an account, just come here, tap on Use Login Details, or you can create an account. Straightforward process, you'll log in. And now this is the app itself, and here you'll see your scorecard. Okay, and of course you can also go ahead and enroll, or you can cancel your enrollment. You can click on agree to enroll in the Drive Safe and Save program to get a discount. Okay, and here you can tap on overview to see your insurance, the bills. So this is health, and to keep your discount you need to finish enrolling. And you can also go ahead and access, for example, Safe and Drive. You'll be able to see your vehicles, and you can complete the setup as well. You'll see the VIN number, everything. So if you have it right here, you can edit the odometer readings. You can tap on edit. You'll see the savings as well. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.